I'm now standing at the foot of the Malvern Hills now. I've just parked up and I'm going to climb up onto the hills and actually see how good the view is up here. It's meant to be pretty good, but it looks like it's a bit of a climb. I'll tell you something, that climb up there was brutal. I'm having a rest now. God, that has just come richly up through those woods there. Whew, needed a rest after that one. Well, I guess we're at the Malvern Hills now. We got a little snippet of a view there, but hopefully when we walk along a bit further we should get a little bit more. I'm just taking a moment to chill out a minute after that big climb. Glasses are off, just cooling down a little bit on the side of the Malvern Hills. Malvern Hills actually stands for bare hills, and that's one thing. There isn't a great deal of like trees or anything on here. There's nothing really that big on here. It is quite barren, and you know, a lot of grass up here and what have you, heather and that sort of thing. Now the Malvern Hills were formed two plates, and it's one of the hardest rocks, this one. So what that means is, with it being a harder rock, it means that it hasn't eroded as much as the others. The other interesting point is that the actual Malvern Hills sit within Worcestershire and Herefordshire together, so that's quite interesting. The Malvern Hills are also SSI, Site of Scientific Interest, and that is due to its wildlife, its plants, it's all of that sort of stuff really. So it really is classed as an area of outstanding natural beauty. It is something else, really is. But yeah, it's nice to come up here. It's probably a little bit warm to be up on the Malvern Hills today, but I've took the drone out, got some fantastic footage, so it's all good.